Have you ever wondered if the creatures of the past could walk the earth again? Creatures that we thought were lost forever, confined to the dusty annals of history books and natural history museums? The magnificent woolly mammoth, the vast flocks of passenger pigeons darkening the skies, the elusive Tasmanian tiger. What if I told you that science is on the verge of bringing these animals back from the brink? Advancements in genetics, particularly in the field of DNA sequencing and gene editing, are opening up extraordinary possibilities. The woolly mammoth, a creature synonymous with the last ice age, vanished from the planet around 4,000 years ago. These behemoths, with their thick, shaggy coats and enormous, curving tusks, roamed the frozen steppes of the northern hemisphere. Imagine a world where herds of these magnificent beasts once again thunder across the frozen landscapes of Siberia and North America. But their extinction was influenced by a complex interplay of factors, including climate change and human encroachment. Humans, with our increasingly sophisticated tools and hunting strategies, began to exert a new pressure on mammoth populations, a pressure they were ill-equipped to withstand. The passenger pigeon, once the most abundant bird in North America, painted the skies with their vast flocks, numbering in the billions. Just imagine the sun being completely obscured by their sheer numbers, their wings drumming a deafening chorus across the land. These birds were a vital part of the ecosystem, their feeding frenzies in oak and chestnut forests playing a crucial role in seed dispersal and forest regeneration. In the 19th century, the unrestrained commercialization of pigeon meat led to unimaginable slaughter. The birds were hunted on an industrial scale, their nesting sites decimated, their numbers plummeting with horrifying rapidity. The last known passenger pigeon, Martha, died alone in a cage at the Cincinnati Zoo in 1914, marking the tragic extinction of an entire species. High in the rugged peaks of the Pyrenees Mountains, a remarkable creature once grazed, the Pyrenean ibex, a type of wild goat with magnificent curved horns. These agile climbers were perfectly adapted to their precarious environment, navigating the steep slopes with ease. But sadly, like so many other species, the Pyrenean ibex was driven to extinction by a combination of factors, including habitat loss, disease, and hunting. The last of their kind, a female named Celia, was found dead in 2000, marking the end of their lineage. In a groundbreaking scientific endeavor, Celia's DNA was used to create a clone, a genetically identical copy. Tragically, the clone only survived for a few minutes due to lung defects, highlighting the immense complexity of de-extinction. The Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine, was a unique and enigmatic creature that once roamed the wilds of Tasmania, an island off the coast of Australia. Unlike its namesake, the Tasmanian tiger was a marsupial, more closely related to kangaroos and koalas than to true cats. As a top predator, the Tasmanian tiger played a crucial role in its ecosystem, keeping prey populations in check. However, its reign as apex predator was tragically cut short. The perception of the Tasmanian tiger as a threat to livestock led to widespread extermination efforts, driving the species to the brink. The dodo, a flightless bird that once inhabited the island of Mauritius, has become an emblem of extinction, its name synonymous with something lost forever. Larger than a turkey, the dodo was an ungainly yet oddly endearing bird, its stout body covered in grayish-blue feathers, its wings small and useless for flight. The dodo's story is a classic example of how human activity can have unforeseen and devastating consequences for island ecosystems. When humans arrived on Mauritius in the 17th century, they brought with them invasive species like rats, pigs, and monkeys, which wreaked havoc on the island's delicate balance. These invaders competed with the dodo for food and resources, but even more devastatingly, they preyed on dodo eggs and chicks, decimating their populations. The prospect of bringing extinct species back to life is both exhilarating and daunting. The stories of these lost creatures remind us of the profound impact humans have on the natural world, but they also offer a glimmer of hope. The possibility of righting past wrongs, of restoring what we have destroyed, is a tantalizing one. But as we venture into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution. De-extinction raises profound ethical questions. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.